Ni hao everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the vibrant festivities surrounding Chinese New Year 2024. Join us as we explore the significance of this auspicious occasion and discover the rich traditions that make this celebration truly special. If you enjoy learning about diverse cultures and celebrations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Understanding Chinese New Year. Also known as the Spring Festival or Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year is a time-honored tradition celebrated by millions around the world. It marks the beginning of the lunar calendar and is a time for family reunions, joy, and the welcoming of good fortune. The year of the Chinese zodiac animal. Each year in the Chinese zodiac is associated with an animal, and 2024 is the year of the Chinese zodiac animal. Discover the unique characteristics and symbolism associated with this zodiac sign, as it sets the tone for the year ahead. Preparing for the celebration, days leading up to Chinese New Year are filled with preparations. Families clean their homes to sweep away bad luck and make way for good fortune. Red decorations, a symbol of luck and prosperity, adorn homes and streets. Traditional dishes are meticulously prepared, and red envelopes or Hongbao are filled with money and given as gifts to symbolize good luck and blessings. Reunion dinners and family traditions. One of the most significant aspects of Chinese New Year is the reunion dinner held on New Year's Eve. Families come together to share a sumptuous feast, with each dish carrying symbolic meaning. It's a time to express gratitude, strengthen family bonds, and welcome the new year with joy and unity. Spectacular fireworks and lion dances. As the clock strikes midnight, cities and towns come alive with vibrant fireworks displays, illuminating the sky with an array of colors. Traditional lion dances, symbolizing good luck and fortune, are performed in streets and public spaces, captivating audiences with their energetic and rhythmic movements. The Lantern Festival and conclusion. Chinese New Year festivities continue for 15 days, culminating in the Lantern Festival. Streets are adorned with colorful lanterns, and parades featuring dragon dances and cultural performances take center stage. It's a grand finale to the celebrations, symbolizing the end of the Spring Festival. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of Chinese New Year 2024, we hope you've enjoyed learning about the customs, traditions, and vibrant celebrations that make this occasion so special. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment sharing your favorite Lunar New Year traditions. Until next time, Xinyang Kuai Lei and Gong Xi Fa Chai, wishing you prosperity to all our viewers.